Welcome, everyone. It is a beautiful, sunny day in the park, and we have a super fun puzzle game today. Vroom, vroom! Look, our brave police car friend is patrolling the park. Uh-oh, where did that storm cloud come from?
Wait a minute. Did that police car just turn into a kitty cat? Meow beep beep.
That is so silly. It is a magic shape-shifting car. Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Back to a police car. Beep beep. He is keeping our park safe and sound.
And poof, the cat is back. I think this car is playing hide and seek with us.
You are right. It is definitely a game. Let's see if we can catch it next time it appears. One more transformation. Wow, this puzzle is getting tricky. But I know you kids can solve it. Okay, team, look at all these police cars. Can you point to the one that fits perfectly in the shadow?
Click, you found it. That police car fits like a glove. Great job.
Let's keep going. Which of these four vehicles is the right one to finish the silhouette? Ting, spot on. You are becoming a real puzzle master today.
Look closely at the wheels. Does that one match? Let's try it out.
Fantastic choice. Everything is lining up perfectly now. We are on a roll. Only a few more to go. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3.
Boom! Another perfect match. You guys are too fast for me.
Stay focused. The last few are the most important ones to get right. Almost there. Just one more tiny push. You can do it! Ta-da! We did it! You solved every single puzzle. You are the best puzzle solvers ever. See you next time. Vroom, vroom. Look at our brave police car friend cruising down the road today. Oh no, a big crash. Our poor little pink friend is so sad. We need to help fix the car. Time for a puzzle challenge. Can you help us find where these pieces belong?
Maybe this square piece goes right here? Whoops, that doesn't fit at all.
Keep trying. Look closely at the shapes. Does that edge match the silhouette? Focus! Focus! Let's rotate it just a little bit more.
I bet it goes in this spot. No? Okay, let's try the other one.
Click, yes! We got the main body in. That's a huge step forward.
Who is that visiting our workshop? What a surprising guest.
Wait.
Woof! Even the puppy wants to help us finish our police buddy today. Don't feel sad, little emoji. We are getting so close to the finish line. Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Almost there. Just a couple more clicks and we're done.
Meow! Even the kitty thinks we are doing a great job. Look at it glow. Our brave police car is back on duty and ready to roll. You did it, super puzzlers! Give yourselves a huge high five for being so smart today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun adventures. there, little heroes. Welcome to the color parade, where our brave police car buddies are gathering for duty. Vroom! Vroom!
Oh boy, look at those gray cars. Are they waiting for a party? Maybe they want to be blue, or maybe green.
Not quite silly. Let's match these colorful balloons to our police friends. Can you point to the red balloon for the red car?
I see a yellow one. Is it time to go? 3, 2, 1. Pop, beep, beep.
Watch closely. The cars are changing colors right before our eyes.
Oh, yeah.
Ting! That one is turning bright purple. You are doing amazing! Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 shiny police cars ready for action.
Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters. You solved it all. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Today we are matching our favorite heroes, so get ready for some fun. Who is hiding behind those mystery silhouettes? Can you guess, friends?
I bet it's a giant dinosaur. Am I right?
Not quite silly. It's our pals Doraemons and Sonic. Watch as we slide them into place. Click!
Whoa! Look at Sonic and his speedy friends go. This rhythm game is super fast.
Tails and Amy are dancing along perfectly. They made it back to their columns. Give them a big thumbs up for a job well done.
Ahoy there! A pirate ship adventure? Let's see if that yellow monster can help the captain steer.
Surprise! It's Superman flying in to save the day. Zoom!
Oh my God!
Batman and Superman are the ultimate heroic duo. They always know exactly what to do.
Oh no! Nobita is in trouble again! Doraemon, please use your magic gadget to help him out.
You are all puzzle masters. Welcome to the Ultimate Machine Puzzle Challenge. Are you ready to build some heavy-duty heroes with us today? Look, it's a giant wheel loader.
Hello!
Can you help us find where this big yellow bucket piece belongs?
I bet that piece goes on the roof. Or maybe it's a hat.
Not quite, silly. That's the heavy-duty scoop that lifts all the dirt. Watch it snap right into place. Click! Vroom, vroom! Our loader is ready for action. Everyone clap your hands for a job well done. Wow, check out that real-life mining excavator. It's moving so much earth into that massive dump truck.
It uses a large shovel arm to lift and load heavy earth
Now
or
we have
ore.
a backhoe loader. See that long arm? It's perfect for digging deep trenches.
Is it a giant mechanical spider? It has so many moving parts, I'm getting dizzy.
It's a construction genius, not a spider. Let's count the tires together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a backhoe loader. It is versatile with a digging bucket at the back and a loader at the front.
Back to the puzzle board. We need to fit these sturdy wheels onto our big, bold wheel loader. Ta-da! You did it! The loader is perfectly assembled and looking shiny and new.
This is a wheel loader. It is used to move materials like soil, gravel, or sand with its large front bucket.
Look at the big, strong bulldozer. It's time to slide that heavy blade into the perfect spot.
Beep, beep! The bulldozer is ready to push mountains of sand. Dance along with us.
Bulldozer.
See how the bulldozer clears the path? It's the strongest machine on the construction
This is a
site.
bulldozer. It is strong and has a wide blade for pushing earth, sand, or rubble.
We finished every puzzle. You are a master builder. Thanks for playing and see you next time, Superstars. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we're in a sleepy town. But wait, is that a rumble I hear?
Whoa, boom! Those mighty transport trucks just bumped into each other.
Oh no, they've lost their shape. Can you help me find their silhouettes in the dark? Let's drag these heavy pieces. Where does the big engine go? Point your finger at the screen.
Oops, that piece doesn't fit there. Maybe try the other side, buddy.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape matches this wheel? Let's look closely together. Click! That one locked right in. You're doing an amazing job building these mighty transport vans.
Vroom, vroom, almost done. Can we count the last two pieces? 1, 2, snap!
Ta-da! They look brand new and ready for duty. You are a puzzle master. High five, everyone! Whoa! Look at that shiny police truck patrolling the neighborhood today, everyone. Hello! Oh no! The brave police squad is missing their gear. Can you help us find the right shadows to fix them?
I think a giant pizza slice goes on the roof. Am I right?
Nice try, silly. We need real police equipment. Let's look for the sirens and wheels instead. Drag that siren piece right up to the top. Click! Perfect placement, team! Meow! Even our cat Fred is helping us spot the hidden parts. You're doing great! Look at them glow! They're almost ready for patrol duty. Sparkle! Sparkle!
The puppies are here to celebrate your amazing puzzle skills.
Everything is lighting up. You've matched every single piece like a pro. Our Brave Police fleet is finally assembled and ready to zoom off on a mission.
Very nice.
You did it! You're a master puzzle solver! Thanks for playing. See you next time, superstars! Welcome! Explorers? Are you ready for a high-speed building adventure in our mountain playground?
Whoa! Look at all these cool vehicle shapes hiding in the shadows. Are they aliens?
Haha! Not quite! Those are our trusty construction friends waiting to be built. Can you spot the big bucket for our hardworking digger? Point your finger right at it!
I think the digger needs a giant cupcake to work better. Am I right?
What?
Silly! He needs his sturdy little scoop to move that dirt. Let's drag it over together. Clunk! Vroom vroom! Found the base. Now let's snap that engine right into place. Perfect fit!
No,
Our digger
God!
is looking strong and ready to build. Great teamwork, everyone! Next up is the mighty dump truck. Can you find his giant wheels? They are super round.
Beep beep! He's ready to carry rocks. You guys are puzzle masters today.
No.
Here comes the kind rescue truck. Does he need a steering wheel or a pizza slice to drive?
Definitely the wheel. Snap! You're moving so fast I can barely keep up.
Last piece for our heroic fire truck. 3, 2, 1, click! You did it!
Look at them go! They are all shiny and ready for the construction site.
Boom! Fireworks for our master builders! You worked so hard today, and every single vehicle looks amazing!
High fives all around. You're all superstars. See you in the next mission, builders.
Welcome, puzzle explorers! Get ready for a tractor-tastic adventure. Vroom vroom!
Whoa, did you see that? Boom! 3 tractors just appeared on the farm.
Wait, where did they go? They turned into silly shadows and funny faces.
I think the tractors are playing hide and seek with us. Let's find them.
Look closely. Can you match the tractor engine to its dark silhouette?
Go!
That's the hardworking digger's bucket. Point your finger at the screen if you see the right spot.
Is this a wheel?
Yes.
No, that's a tractor seat. Let's try fitting it right here. Click.
Amazing! Oh, that piece doesn't
Very
fit
nice.
there. Let's count how many pieces we have left. 1, 2, 3.
Nice.
wheel fits perfectly. You are doing such a fantastic job. Keep going.
Good job. Yes, the green tractor is finally complete. Vroom vroom, he's ready to plow the field.
We did it! All 3 tractors are back together, looking shiny and strong.
No.
Yes! Fireworks for our super puzzle solvers. You're the Tractor Master. See you next time. Welcome to our big construction adventure. Let's explore this beautiful sunny valley together.
Wow, check out that giant mixer. Is it going to bake a cake, host A?
Haha, not quite. That mixer helps us build strong houses. Silly.
Boom, pop. Look at all that colorful confetti showering our hard-working construction crew.
It's puzzle time. Can you help us find the missing parts for our mighty friends?
Think the big shovel goes on the dump truck. Wait, no, that's not right, is it?
You're getting closer. The shovel belongs to our strong digger friend. Let's try again. Vroom, vroom. Here is the concrete mixer truck, ready to swirl and pour concrete for us. Watch that digger work. He is scooping up all that dirt to fill the dump truck. So strong.
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
It's snowy out there, but our digger friend is using his log grapple to move heavy trees. Amazing!
Excavator log grapple.
Excavator log grapple.
Clang! Bang! They are working so hard at the quarry today. Can you count the trucks with me? 1, 2.
Excavator.
Excavator.
We did it! You are a puzzle superstar. Let's celebrate with fireworks. Pop, pop, hooray! Hey everyone, get ready. Our hard-working digger friend is rolling in to start the fun.
Vroom vroom! Look at that bright yellow paint shine. It's ready to scoop up some adventure.
Oh no! Where did the pieces go? Everything turned into a shadowy silhouette.
Maybe the digger is playing hide and seek? I bet he's hiding under the couch.
Not quite, silly. We need to find the missing parts to build our strong friend. Point to the bucket. Click! That piece fits perfectly. Now let's find the heavy tracks to help him move. I see a big arm. Can you count the gears with me? 1, 2, 3. Snap it in place.
Almost there. Just one more piece for the cabin. 3, 2, 1. Pop it in!
No! God!
Ta-da! He is fully assembled and looking strong. Happy New Year, little digger!
You guys are puzzle masters. Let's give a huge round of applause for a job well done.
Vroom, vroom. Welcome, everyone, to our super cool vehicle challenge today.
I'm ready to race. Let's see if we can spot our big, strong machine friends on the road.
Wait a second. Where did they go? Oh, look at that sneaky cat face. It's a shadow puzzle time. I see the hard-working digger's bucket. Can you point to the screen and help me drag it into place?
Maybe it goes on the roof? No, that's definitely not right. Aha!
Click! That's it! You found the perfect spot for our mighty friend.
3, 2, 1, go!
Keep going, team. Now Now we need to find the giant wheels for our mighty dump truck. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
Is this a pizza slice? Oh wait, it's a shovel part. You guys are way faster at this than I am.
No, 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 no.
Fantastic focus. We are matching these silhouettes just like pros. Almost there. Go. They are fully built and ready for action. Great work, everyone.
Boom! Confetti everywhere. You solved it. You're the best puzzle masters ever.
High fives all around. Thanks for building with us today. See you next time for more fun adventures. Welcome, Puzzle Explorers. Are you ready for a high-speed mission today? Let's go!
Whoa! Look at those heavy-duty machines rolling through the city. Vroom, vroom!
Wait, what's that? A secret mission is starting! Keep your eyes peeled, everyone. Oh no! Our mighty truck is missing its cab. Can you help us find the right piece?
I think this tiny cab will fit. Wait, no? Maybe it's this one?
Oops, that red cross means it's a mismatch. Try again, friends. Which one fits perfectly? Click! It fits! You did it! You super smart puzzle masters! Now, let's gear up this artillery vehicle. Does this big turret belong on top?
Boom! Perfect match. Look at those happy cats dancing to celebrate your victory.
You were incredible today! High fives all around, and we'll see you for the next big challenge. Hey everyone! Welcome to our awesome vehicle puzzle challenge. Let's get zooming.
Vroom, vroom! Can you spot all three of our speedy motorcycle friends on the road? Whoa! Everything turned into shadows. And look, a big yellow bulldozer is rolling by.
That's a hard-working digger, kids. He loves moving dirt to help us build big things. Time for a matching game. We need to find the right parts for our brave police motorcycle silhouettes.
I think the giant tractor wheel goes on the police bike. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer. Which piece actually fits our police friend perfectly? Point your finger at the screen and help us drag the correct piece. 3, 2, 1, go!
Click! That part fits like a glove. Our motorcycle is looking sharp and ready for patrol.
Great focus! Now let's find the missing handlebars for the blue motorcycle. Can you find them? Ting! You did it! Look at all those hearts and confetti, celebrating your amazing puzzle skills!
Boom! You're a total puzzle master! High five, everyone!
You were incredible today! Thanks for playing, and we'll see you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to build some super cool trucks today?
Whoa, check out those colors! Vroom, vroom, look at them line up!
Abracadabra! They are transforming with magic emojis. Can you spot the skeleton?
It is time to match. I think this big wheel goes on the sky, right?
Oh, silly. Wheels belong on the road. Let's drag it to the silhouette down here. Great job! Click! That piece fits perfectly, like a puzzle piece in a snap. Now, can you help me find the cabin for our hardworking green dump truck?
Look at that cat helping us! Point your finger at the screen to help guide the part.
It is all assembled. Our mighty trucks are ready to roll out. Look at that rap dance! You did a fantastic job solving every single puzzle.
Hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time.